This huge box have a huge monitor in it. It is the Samsung Odyssey G9 G91SD 49-inch ultra-wide OLED monitor. And in this video, we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you what comes in its box, and I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. We'll take a first look at its image quality and tell you about its specifications. And in a subsequent video, I'll be reviewing this monitor. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the full review. So let's open up the box. Of course, if you have someone to help you in opening up the monitor and setting it up, it's always better because it's a very big monitor and it's heavy. It is around 28.5 pounds. So I have here my son who's gonna help me in assembling it. So this is the box open. The cardboard box is really very thick. So this monitor has a resolution of 5120 x 1440p. It is dual QHD. It's like two 27-inch monitors stitched together. So this is the base. So it is really heavy. Its aspect ratio is 32:9 and a contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1. And it has a response time of 0.03 milliseconds only. We talked about its technology, that it is OLED. Look at this power brick, how big it is. So everything about this monitor is big. And this is the neck. It is height adjustable and also it is tilt adjustable. Its screen curvature is 1800R and its maximum refresh rate is 144 Hz. This is the upper protection. So the monitor is here. Let me show it to you a little bit here. So this is it inside. It is very well protected and this is where the neck goes. So I'm gonna leave it in the box and I'm gonna put the stand on the monitor first, and then we're gonna remove the monitor with a stand like this. This is the easiest way, and because this is the bottom of the monitor, I need to turn the box, and I'm gonna show you how to assemble it here. So this is the neck. Let's remove the protection completely from it, and then we're gonna put it here, and notice here this is the cable management. So the neck has a latch here and it should go in here. So just slide it in gently, do not force it, and then push it in. It needs to click in place. So here it is installed now. Now in case later you want to remove it, there's a latch here also. If I can show it to you, you just have to push this one up like this and then remove the neck like that. While I have the monitor like this, I want to show you its controls and the ports. So you have here the on-off button, and you have here like a small USB hub. It has one upstream and two downstream. They are USB-C. And you have here the ports of the monitor. I'm using my action cam. So here it is HDMI input. This one is display port input. And you have here on the top also a micro HDMI input. This is the DC 20 volts for the power. And this is 3.5 millimeter output audio. So now we're gonna attach the base to the neck. And the good thing about the base is that it has a self-tapping screw here. You just have to align it like this and then push it in. And then with your thumb, you need to tighten the self-tapping screw and make sure to tighten it very well. And this is everything there is to install the base and the neck of this monitor. And also I wanted to show you that the monitor comes with this VESA mount in case you want to mount it in the future on the wall. You remove the neck and you install the VESA mount like this here. Now that the monitor is assembled, I'm gonna lift it up like this and my son is gonna remove the packaging, and then I'm gonna stand it on the desk here so for you to see it. It's a heavy monitor. Now without the packaging, it is a bit less heavy. This is a really big monitor. And notice how nice it looks. So first of all, the height adjustment. It is very smooth. And also it tilts, as I told you. Now it doesn't swivel, so make sure not to force it to swivel, otherwise you're gonna break it. You just swivel it like this if you want with its base. Before I show you the monitor up close, I wanted to show you everything that comes with it. So you have a bunch of documentation. You have also a display port cable. You have USB-A to USB-C cable in case you need it. This is the power brick, and this is the power cable that you put in the brick. And this is a micro HDMI to an HDMI cable. And this is a nice touch. And now I plug the monitor in the power for the first time. Let me turn it on. And here it is turning on. And here I wanted to show you the bezels of the monitor. They are really thin. And this is the back of it here. And you have on the top here some vents so that it doesn't heat up. Now I couldn't finish the video before showing you the monitor in action at least once. And here it is in f1.25 and it is spectacular. So that was it for the unboxing of the Samsung Odyssey G9 G91SD Ultrawide OLED monitor. Stay tuned for the full review very soon and check out the comments for the link for the full review. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.